Now, Delhi NCR has witnessed rains and thunderstorms early morning. It's still underway. In fact, rainfall begins right in the morning and is due to carry on till Tuesday is what's reported. This rainfall brings indeed relief to the people of Delhi NCR from the scorching heat and the sultry weather after rains lashed the national capital for a few hours. Traffic jams, waterlogging were seen in many areas. The Minto Bridge area near the New Delhi railway station saw a bus submerged. According to the IMD, Delhi has recorded 47.9 mm rainfall so far in July, which is 56% less than the normal of 109.4 mm. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that heavy rainfall is likely to continue in the national capital and adjoining Sonipat, Baghpat, Gurugram, Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad areas until Tuesday.
It's downpouring in Delhi NCR since morning, and it has come as a respite for the residents. You can see we are here in Noida how the vehicles have turned their headlamps on due to the reduced visibility. It's been raining since early morning and the streets are now flooded. You can see how much rainwater is here. All the streets are waterlogged. Even in fact, when I'm standing, the water started increasing, and now my entire feet is inside the water. This is the kind of situation in the entire NCR right now. The temperature has come down to below 25 degrees. The maximum temperature is also supposed to be hover around 35 degrees today. So a big respite for the residents of Delhi NCR, and this is the heaviest rain of this monsoon so far. With camera person Rohit, this is Abhishek Anand for India Today.
Now, India Today has found some grave lapses days after a bridge in Bihar's Gopalganj collapsed. India Today's investigation has found lapses on the part of Bihar government bridge construction body, the BRPNNL, and the Hyderabad-based construction company Vashisht Construction that's built this bridge. The state government has been calling this a natural calamity to why the bridge collapsed, but villagers, though, have been warning the government and the construction firm about the width of the bridge, about the fact that it had to be wider. In fact, it was also found that the bridge didn't have protection work in the form of boulders to withstand the strong currents of the Gandak River. It was found the bridge was too close to the dam, resulting in the collapse. The villagers had warned the local authorities about the weak design of the bridge time and again, but it appears it fell on deaf ears. Instead, now an FIR has been lodged against the villagers for allegedly violating lockdown and trying to damage the bridge.
इतना जल्दी ये पुल टूट जाएगा भविष्य में हम लोग कल्पना भी नहीं किए थे कि इतना जल्दी इसके गाइड के बगल में ये सब टूट जाए। ये तो खतरा है सर, आने जाने का हम लोग का यही एक अप्रोच चीज है जो बाढ़ में हम लोग फंस जाते हैं। देखिए कैसा इस तरह से रोड बना हुआ है जो हम लोग कितना अपने जान जोखिम में डालकर हम लोग जाते हैं।
मेन नदी में 264 करोड़ का आप पहले ही पुल को ही आपने छोटा कर दिया। इसकी पूरी पैसे मंत्री संतरी नेताओं के घर चले गए। जिसने लूटा, आप मुद्दे और मुद्दालय इसकी जांच नहीं कर सकता है। सरकार या कंप्लीट रूम से ये आईसीयू में है, ये ब्लैकमेलर सरकार है, सौदा करती है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.